Hi, it's Jill from Mystic Knotwork. I'm going to show you how to make this really cute Christmas gnome. So you will need an empty wine bottle, some rope. I use manila rope. You want to untwist it and cut it into 10-inch sections, a wool sock, and some kind of ball for the nose, and I used a monkey's fist. And you'll also need a high temperature glue gun and lots of glue sticks. So you want to take your untwisted rope sections and you want to start gluing them to the slope of the wine bottle. Keep going around and around. You will need many, many layers. I like to put an elastic around each section to help hold it in place while the glue hardens. This gnome is going to have a wild beard. Okay, this is about 4 layers. Now you want to take some scissors and give his beard a trim to even the bottom out. Now you want to put the sock over the top of the wine bottle and over the top of all the rope you just glued on. And you want to fold up the edge of the sock to make your hat. Now put some glue on the ball and stick it right at the edge of the hat. And a cute touch is to tie a ribbon to the toe of the sock. I hope you had fun making your gnome.